everyone, this is Mandy from iBoard. Here we are on the show for the ISE 2025. Now our products are mainly for school education and office meeting room products. Now this is our demo. I want to show you. This is our intelligent whiteboard with the touch panels. So as you can see, now we have a document scanner and built-in Windows system with Android system, and the size below, between middle is optional. Two-side whiteboard also customized. So you can also have a see. Now it's all document scanner, and I have one key transfer to our Windows system. Need to wait a few seconds. So now you see, come to our Windows system, and we do a document scanner like this. I present. So you can see something here with document scanner. You can rotate and zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, and we can one key back to the desktop. So you can also see our another functions for the software have annotation. I can do one key click and do some just like I write something here. Yeah, and I can do some clean here. Yeah, and one key also I can one key back to our Android system with our powerful software, some apps, camera, and the app store. So the students, officemen, have meeting room, all can have a fast and convenient share for the email, for the file. So very convenient, and also can have some pianos to play. Yeah, music, something else. And have welcome. So you can show when some visiting and education and training, something else. And thank you. And you can, for more details, you can learn our website for www.toucheasy.com. Thank you.